Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AWS Lake Formation settings for secure data lake analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lake Formation dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Data Lake Settings. Review the current settings for your data lake. To update permissions, select Data Permissions from the left menu. Click on Grant to add new permissions. Choose the database or table for which you want to modify access. Select the principal, such as a user or group, from the drop-down list. Specify the permissions you wish to grant, such as select or alter. Click Grant to apply these changes. Next, navigate to Roles in the left-hand menu. Ensure that the appropriate IAM role is associated with your lake formation. Click on Manage Permissions for the selected role. Here, you can add or remove permissions as necessary. For more advanced settings, click on Data Lake Settings again. Look for the CloudFormation stack to manage infrastructure settings. Consider enabling AWS Glue Data Catalog integration for improved data management. Evaluate the encryption settings under Encryption. Ensure that data at rest and in transit is encrypted. Review S3 bucket policies linked to your data lake. Adjust the policies to restrict or allow access as per your security requirements. Check the AWS CloudTrail logs for monitoring data lake activities. Set up alerts for unauthorized access attempts using Amazon CloudWatch. Finally, confirm that all changes meet your compliance standards. Now, you can effectively update your AWS Lake Formation settings for secure data lake analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.